Hey folks, Nate Firle here with R3 Rescue, and today I'm in David City, Nebraska at Timpte's headquarters picking up the first ever grain rescue response trailer built by Timpte. I want to point out a couple of key features of this trailer. So just like the rural rescue response trailer, the main function of it is the grain vac, allowing us to show up to grain bin entrapments with a vac and the panels and other tools necessary in those grain bin entrapments. Workstation back here, the operator station, with the engine, throttle, key, and of course our forward and reverse with the suction end going out the back, so we can either go to the passenger or driver's side of the trailer when we show up to that scene. Another feature here of the trailer is the cabinets to hold all the pipes. These things will come with 185 feet of pipe. We want to stack on this side, the vac side of the pipe, allowing 2 firefighters to start pulling out pipes and assembling them from the vac towards the grain bin. And on this side, we're going to call this the victim side. So in here is going to be the suction end, as well as those rubber pieces, more maneuverable pipes that we can send towards the victim and then start assembling from the victim back towards the vac, speeding up that setup process. You'll see the emergency lights along the rail of the trailer, as well as a step to get inside to do all of our service, maintenance, and filling up with gas. It's a short trailer with 2 axles. This allows this trailer to be pulled by virtually any apparatus. Can go behind a grass rig, maybe even a heavy rescue, but all of the weight of the vac and the pipes securely on those 2 axles. Emergency lights I pointed out earlier, they're run off of our 7-pin power from the vehicle, just with an on-off toggle switch right there by the jack. Now there's also an additional toggle switch there in case fire departments want to add 12-volt auxiliary power towards something else here on the trailer. Now, we're working with Timpte with this thing because of the quality. Timpte knows grain handling, and they know what it takes to have and build a trailer for rural America. You'll notice things like the heavy aluminum beam that runs underneath this entire trailer, which you'll see on their car and utility trailers and even their hopper bottoms. Folks, the Grain Rescue Response Trailer was built out of demand. As you know, the Rural Rescue Response Trailer has a lot of additional cabinets to help those smaller fire departments house and carry all of the tools needed for rural rescues to the scene. But over the last year, we've learned that a lot of departments have a heavy rescue or all of the tools needed on an apparatus ready. They simply need a trailer to get the vac and all the pipes to the scene to help with these grain bin entrapments. So that's why we built it. We built it to help farmers. We built it to help fire departments in rural areas better show up to the grain bin entrapment.